Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Go to the safe mode, click to choose option, troubleshoot, then advanced, then startup setting, and then fifth number to safe mode. Now showing this image, and then automatically restart and go to safe mode. And then what we do, I suggest you. Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. When you start safe mode and then Windows R, go to services, services.msc, then OK. App neededness, click to double click and disable. You just disable. If you are showing automatically and manual, to click to disable. If you start, so stop and then and apply. OK, this is the second step, and then close. Then guys, you reinstall your graphic driver. How to open, how to check, how to uninstall. Click to manage and driver management. This is computer management, and in driver management click display driver, and here NVIDIA and anyone. So right click to uninstall and then reinstall graphic driver, and then close step. And then guys, close this step and then open control panel, search CON control and uninstall latest update. Small icon, category, and uninstall programs and uninstall latest update. So you can, when you facing the problem like 14.5, so this update you can right click and then uninstall. Yes, now this is uninstalling, so please wait few minutes. And then guys, we update uninstall properly, and then open taskbar. Taskbar, you press Ctrl Shift plus escape and scroll down. Press W. So Windows Explorer, this is Windows Explorer. Right click to restart. Okay, then restart your system and then check your problem solved, because black screen and with cursor. So guys, take care. Have any issue, please comment me, I will support you.